guys, and welcome to another video. Today's video we are doing something different with Pallavi, something that we've never done before. So in this video we are doing up a small little balcony in an apartment, and we are going to take you through the entire process and see how it turns out.
Let's see how it turns out.
So it's a really breezy, nice balcony, and it's really nice weather, so it's going to be fun doing it.
I just hope it doesn't rain.
It won't. It won't rain. Oh my god, such a pretty balcony. Beautiful transformation. So tell us, what I can see some things that I definitely felt transformed the entire balcony like this.
Yeah.
One being the grass.
Oh yes. I think that's like, this is actually a foregrass.
Yeah.
So it's not really grass, so you don't really need to maintain it. But it's of really high quality, so it looks like grass.
Yeah, and it feels like grass.
It feels like grass on the
We're
feet.
barefoot on the grass. It's beautiful. It feels amazing.
Absolutely. It's very nice.
Yeah,
and
it has that natural
grass effect.
Yeah.
The best part about it is it actually has holes. So this is like all weather grass. You just put, you can actually wash it off. The water drains from below the grass. You don't need to stick it to,
You just need to place it.
You just need to place it. So
it's beautiful. If you have a balcony, this is one thing. If you do nothing else, just do this one thing.
It's going to make a difference.
Huge difference. Okay, so the other thing, of course, is the plants and the greens, which
you'll have to work on plants. That's like, they need so much TLC.
They have so much good energy.
Absolutely.
I love having, plants inside the house, outside the house, everywhere.
It's just beautiful. Seeing plants just makes me happy.
Makes me happy too. It's amazing. But another thing that I noticed over here that you have done is that you have added a lot of plants on the wall. Okay, so to save some floor space, because these days balconies are very tiny also.
Absolutely. It's a smaller balcony, but it's good enough to, if you want to have a seating in the balcony, you've got to push the plants somewhere. And vertical gardens are a very beautiful option.
Yeah.
And you can actually have the entire wall with lots of plants.
It can be green.
It looks
so beautiful.
That's, if you have the budget, that's one of the best options to go with. The second option, what I've done here is actually just added little wooden planters on the sides.
Right.
They are for single plants, but these little macrame plants that you see over there, right now they look a little scanty, but they have been planted with these plants. One is, of course, the common name as a money plant, or this grows really fast.
Even it fills up.
Oh yeah, and even the purple one. So what will happen if it's like, when we see it in a few months, it's actually going to fill up that little wooden frame. And that looks really nice. So you literally have like a vertical garden, and that wall is otherwise blank. We couldn't change the color of the wall simply because, again, it has to adhere to the norms of the society and stuff like that. And I also added some lights, which I can't switch on though.
So some candles.
Some candles.
I turn the mood to a romantic one whenever you need to bring on the charm.
Absolutely. And I also have a little lantern here.
I forgot. This one is beautiful.
I really love it. Just to put some big chunky
candle or a plant also.
Absolutely. You actually get these battery operated tea lights and candles these days.
I've seen them, and they look they have a very natural flicker.
Absolutely.
And they look
they
very
flicker
nice.
as if it's,
they're very nice. I have some at home. It's very nice. Thank you so much, Pallavi. This is so beautiful. I'm having such a blast just chilling here with my cup of tea and enjoying the balcony. So I hope you guys had a good time. I hope you guys got some ideas for your balcony. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and keep coming back for more. So we're going to say bye now.
Bye.
See you again.
See you.